Hello to my factory. This is one of my customers' project, and this is a bearing housing for this kind of bearing, and I done all of 4 housings. So lot to done over here. I want to open it, and what we can see over here, we can see a place for bearing, and later here will be installed the bearing. Through the bearing will be a shaft. This one, and by 2 nuts it will be locked into a bearing. When that shaft nuts will be locked, then over here will be this cover what hold this bearing into the housing by 12 bolts. You will ask why I made this bore. As you see, it's there at the bottom of the bore you can see a light, and this small bore is exactly for grease. As you see, here is a channel for oiling or greasing. So in this way we can oil a bearing. From this side will be some kind of seal what save this bearing away from dust, water, swamp, etc. You know. For mounting, I done some interesting things. I set up pins each side of the cover, and it always will be perfect on the bearing. It can be some wrapped or bent, you know, and each cover is exactly fired for the bottom side. What else? Maybe you will ask why I greened out a little bit metal away from each corner. Just little bit. It's so when you're mounted your bearing housing, and after some time you want to disassemble it for check it out or exchange a bearing anyway. And here you can set a screwdriver and just like so, you know, you set the screwdriver and pick it up and it's off, and you can easily take it off. So I've done a lot of drillings. Cover is 13 boards. Each is custom. Here is 13 boards, all with streets. In cover is 8 boards. At bottom side too is 8 boards, 3 each side for treat, and 1 at each side for pin, for this pin. Lot of drilling, reading and mind bore for bearing, you know. So this project almost accomplished, and today is late. And tomorrow I make a place for this seal, and then customer can get his parts and mount on his tractor and ride it. There is bolts and more bolts. So over here I spent around almost 2 weeks, and today is Friday. No, tomorrow is Friday, and so then tomorrow will be two weeks. So I'm not sure, but I hope I make one more video for this, how looks accomplished unit when it's assembled with bearing into it and a shaft, and you know. So yeah, what else? You can give any question for this, and maybe I try to shoot some video on tractor later and upload it in YouTube, you know. So thanks for the watching, good luck, and have a nice day.